an emotion. This man has given us, I don't know how many reasons to celebrate. He's an ace filmmaker, a producer, a writer. He's this rock star, as I call him. Give it up for Mr. Karan Johar, ladies and gentlemen. We got to make some more noise for him, of course. Welcome, Karan sir. Thank you so much for being here. And before I shoot my question, what would you like to say to all the lovely people here?
Well, firstly, thank you so much to members of the media for being here with us and always being so supportive to everything that we've ever put out. This is a tremendous honor for me to be on this platform. My journey with the spectacular cinema from the South started with Rajamouli sir, with Bahubali in 2013. And I believe that Bahubali not just changed cinema in the global landscape, but also brought out the outstanding cinema that comes from Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada into homes and hearts of North India as well. And we are honored that we began this journey with the legendary Rajamouli sir. Today, and subsequently, we worked with Shankar sir and worked with Rana and Ghazi Attack and several other films. But today, I'm deeply, deeply privileged, humbled and honored to be able to present Mirai. And firstly, my congratulations to you, Vishwa sir, because I know your tremendous passion is what brought you here. You are in a very lucrative business of your own, and it's only we all know that, as they say ना हमारी फिल्मों में कि नाम बड़ा दर्शन छोटा होता है actually, कि नाम बड़ा होता है लेकिन eventually जब आप इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट से बात करते हो और आप कॉर्पोरेशन से बात करते हो तो जिस तरह के पैसे वो कमाते हैं और जब वो हमारे P&L पे जाते हैं और नंबर सुनते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि आप लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हो, काम करते हो, आपका नाम विश्व भर में मशहूर है और ये है आपका प्रॉफिट। इतने पैसे बनाए आपने और इतना काम आप इसीलिए करते हो। फिर मेरा जवाब यही होता है कि हमारे काम में हम नंबर्स नहीं देखते, हम धड़कन सुनते हैं हर फिल्म।
क्या बात है सर।
हम दिमाग के साथ हमने कभी फिल्म नहीं बनाई, दिल से बनाई है और इसलिए विश्व सर का जो पैशन है वो वाकई काबिले तारीफ है। वो इस मकाम तक पहुंचे हैं क्योंकि वाकई उन्होंने सिनेमा को कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहा और उसके लिए आपको तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू सर फॉर बीइंग अस एंड बीइंग विद अस टुडे एंड गिविंग अस दिस मैसिव मैग्नेटिक एंड मैग्निफिसेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग मिराई टू द वर्ल्ड। Karthik, what do I say to you? I really believe, when I met Karthik, I thought he was 21 years old. And I couldn't believe that he's the same director who's given us a massive success before this with Karthikeya 2. And now when I saw the vision of Mirai, and he's been an immensely successful cinematographer, but for him to come out and put his heart into this Brahmand, into this Itihas, into the world of Mirai, which is the beginning of many, many more to follow. And what is even more credible, that the kind of work in the VFX component that has been put into this film with limited resources has been come out of India. All of this has worked out of technicians and collaborators in Hyderabad who have done this. And of course the budget is tight, but the vision was large, the dream was large. And what you see, we've heard budgets of films that go into 300s and 400s and 500s. None of us here on this platform will tom-tom about the budget. But the vision is 1,000 crores. The vision has a budget of its own. It's got nothing to do with money spent. It's to do with the energy that everyone has put into this film. I have, before we call the boy himself, another boy, I feel I'm in some youth conference here right now. I just want to thank everyone from Bhumika and her team for introducing us to the team of Mirai, and to Apurva, who has been such a huge energy at Dharma Productions from the very onset, and I wouldn't have been able to do anything without him. Mirai is the beginning of, hopefully sir, many collaborations between us, and I have always worked magically with filmmakers from the South. I've been very successful, and I think they are lucky for me. I'm not just lucky for them. Every time my name has been attached to a film, we've met with massive success. Well, besides one. Mostly our success rate has been hugely and immense. And I know with the fact, और डंके की चोट पे मैं कहना चाहूँगा, मैं जानता हूँ, जब आप मेरा देखोगे, आप दंग रह जाओगे. Namaskar, Shukriya, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Mr. Karan Johar one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, a quick question. Mirai से जुड़ा वो ये है कि you've always focused on family values. आपने families और उनका वो जो एक connect होता है वो हमेशा से अपनी फिल्मों में दिखाया है. Was that the reason, और साथ में वो इतिहास जो आपको लगा कि we have to back this film because इतिहास का जो ये रूप है, the way it is being presented in Mirai is something that we've never seen before.
आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन जब हम दो दुनिया का मिश्रण करते हैं. ब्रह्मास्त्र में भी हमारी कोशिश ये रही थी टू मेक अ फिल्म दैट एक्चुअली इज अ मॉडर्न टेल व्हिच इज डीपली रूटेड in ancient civilization stories and in stories of our scriptures, and we began that journey with Brahmastra. So when I saw the world of Mirai, I was blown over, not just because it's deeply rooted in our itihas, but it's deeply rooted in its storytelling. जिस तरह ये आप जब देखोगे तो आइडेंटिफाइबल कहानी है. आज इसके लड़के में जो पला बड़ा है वाराणसी में, और वहाँ से उनका जो सफ़र शुरू होता है, और फिर उसकी दुनिया में उसका जो इनहेरेंट पावर है, उसे पता भी नहीं उसकी एक्सटेंट क्या है ऑफ बीइंग अ सुपर योद्धा, एंड हिज कमिंग ऑफ एज एंड व्हाट यू सी थ्रू दैट जर्नी. और मैं कुछ ज्यादा कहूंगा नहीं, लेकिन वो इंटरवल ब्लॉक जब मैंने देखा तो मैं खुद खड़ा हो गया. मैं बोले ये हो क्या रहा है भैया, ये हमसे कब होगा. हाँ.
आपसे ही हो रहा है सर, आपने इससे पहले भी किया, आई एम श्योर वापस करेंगे.
इसे क्या कहते हैं, इसे चांस पे डांस होता है ना, कि किसी और ने मेहनत की और हम एंड में आके अपना नाम डाल दिया हमने. ये हमारी मेहनत नहीं है, इनकी जोश जुनून और लगन का असर है.
That's Karan Johar for you, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, with all that passion, वो देख रहे हो आंख में चमक while he's talking about this story. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage that one person who's made it all possible. Of course, his team के support के साथ, the very handsome, the very young, and